Hello, this is Robert McKim, founder and president of the Community Awareness and Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol nonprofit organization and certified advanced Skywarn storm spotter here in Carroll, Ohio for the Pittsburgh National Weather Service. Just wanted to report that I've reported to the National Weather Service that I had in my Tru-Check rain gauge, which is that plastic rain gauge there on the side of the rain gauge for my weather station, 2.65 inches of rain from 6 a.m. this morning when it started raining here in Carrollton until noon, 12 noon. So it started off raining, moderate rain, then it got heavier here this afternoon about 11 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock. It really, it was pouring down here so hard that the roads were basically flooding. Not flooding, but it was like they looked like rivers, is what they looked like rivers. The water was just flowing down the roads like rivers. There's been, I guess, flooding in Jefferson County. I've been hearing on my police scanner people that drove into flooded roadways and being trapped in their cars for a little while. So whatever you do, if you think it looks okay to drive it through, it might not be. Stay safe, be careful, and have some sense when you're driving. God bless you. Have a blessed and safe day.